Hello friends, today I'm going to teach you another new thing, that is how to create a or how to conduct an online test using Google Forms. For this you can use your mobile phone. You need the Google app, so click on the Google app. Okay, then after that in the search button you can type Google Forms. It is already there, so Google Forms. Then after that, don't select the first link, then go to the second one and click. Then you can go to the Google Forms, click on it. After that you will get a form like this, untitled form. Then here you can give your school name or anything you can give. Then you can, if you want to conduct a practice test, so I'm trying to conduct a practice test, so I'm giving practice test. Here you can write anything, description like for which class you are conducting, class 2 say, then which subject like English. Then you can say that what is the time limit. You can put it as, suppose I'm giving as 30 minutes, and then you can write that all questions are compulsory. Done. Then you move to this next section. Over here you can see that untitled question is written, so you want the child to enter the name. So here you can just type the enter your name. Automatically this will be converted into a short answer type question. Then in the end you have a required button, click on it. Got it? Then you want the child to enter the section, so you have to add one more field. So press this plus button, you will get another field. Here you can write select your section. Then it will convert a multiple choice. Then you can write A for section. Then you can see over here add all, B, C, D is written, add all. And then you can add other, if you have another section like E, so you can add that also. And then in the end you can write required. Done. Then this one section is over. So you want to go to the next section to then you can click on these two buttons. I clicked, and this another section will come where you can type your questions. So just type over here, I want to give in the form of fill in the blanks, so I can write over here fill in the blanks. Then in the description you can write choose the correct answer. Correct. Then for this you press the plus button, and then the question will come. Before that you can go to the settings at the top. Here settings is there. Then you can make quizzes option is there, you can make it as a quiz. So click this, and then you can save. Then automatically this will be converted into a quiz pattern. Okay, so here you can type the question. Suppose I want to type English, means I just want to give like question like she is dash girl. So I want to give the answer here. In answer I can give a, option 1 I can give a, then here I can give, in the second one I can give and in the third one I can give the. Got it? Now here there's a tick mark over here, click on it. Then you can write a word which, how many points means how many marks for each question. Suppose I give 2. Then after this you have to select the correct answer, because it has to be shown when a child is trying to appear the exam, the answer should be shown to the child. So you can tick this. Suppose she is a girl is the correct answer, so click on it, and then you press the button done. Got it? Now I want to add another question, question number 2, that is I have dash umbrella. Got it? So this will be converted in multiple choice only, so you can give the answers. Then in the second option I can give the answer as an, and in third option I can also give as the. Okay, now click on the blue button, blue tick I mean to say, award this as 2 points. And then after that, what will be the right answer? I have an umbrella, so click on an and then press done. So I'm just showing you, I have prepared only 2 questions. Now I'm done with the questions. Now what I have to do, I have to go to the my questions are ready. Now I have to send it. So first of all, what you'll do, you go to the settings, and then here previews, that you can see also in the preview how it is looking. Now what I have to do, I have to send this test to the link. I have to send this as a link to the children or whoever wants to appear for the test. I have to send them. So first of all, what I'll do, I will send it. Click that button. Did you see that arrow button was there? I clicked. Now you have to send it through email and all. So this is a URL button, so I'll click it, click the URL link, and then over here shorten URL is there. Click on that shorten URL. Then you can copy this link, just press copy, okay, and then through WhatsApp you can send anywhere you want. Suppose I want to send it here, I'll just paste. I can send to you can just send through the WhatsApp, and then you can send again this link to anybody you want to, okay, any contact you want to send. Suppose I'm sending to another contact, okay, so I have sent. Now this you can open. When you open this link, it will come like this, practice test. You can enter your name whatever you want to enter, name, then you select your section. Suppose my section is D, then move to the next section. Now I can choose the, suppose I'll choose here the correct answer. Here I'm choosing the wrong answer, okay. Now submit button. Then here I can view the score. I've got 2 out of 4 because my one answer is right and the other is wrong. So like this it can be shown, okay. So in this way you can conduct the online test multiple choice question pattern. Hope you all understood how to create the Google form for conducting online test. Thank you.